Day number 26, 30-day crypto.com challenge. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. We're going to go ahead and buy crypto.com for the 16th straight day. Actually, that will be the 26th straight day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Thank you, Hector, for putting this together. I love this sheet. It keeps track of everything that we're going to do. So thank you for staying with me throughout this challenge. Now let's go ahead and get this on COINBASE.com. Now what we're going to go ahead and do, we get $100 worth. We're going to go back and buy this, and let's get a crypto.com challenge. Go ahead and get this, and this would be $100 worth. So let's go back to the captain spreadsheet. So it's 178, and we spend how much? $97.01, which equivalent to $2.99. So that's how much we pay. I love the equations. So go ahead and buy now from this situation, and we go back to the new and revamped captain spreadsheet, and voila, just like that. So now we got 5,491 tokens of crypto.com. Total cost is $3,595. We're still in a negative of $685, but we still have 4 days left in the challenge. Let's see what we end up with. We surpassed our goal a couple of days ago. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'll see you tomorrow on day number 27. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel.